Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about why I bought Tesla stock. I understand you might be saying, well Carter, why'd you buy that? I'll explain everything in the video. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys aren't already. Also, you guys can go ahead and check out my course. It's $5. You guys will learn how to find undervalued stock and really how to use fundamental and technical analysis when you guys are looking at certain stocks. Also, we have a whole chapter on retirement and taxes. It's only $5. Make sure you guys go ahead and check it out down below. So now let's jump into it really intro. Let's go. Now, yes, I'm well aware that Tesla could be overvalued. I understand that they have a price to earnings of well over 1,000, but let me just give you guys this little fact. When Amazon was trading for about $700, they had a price to earnings at 3,200, which is absolutely crazy. But now looking back at Amazon, you would have been smart to invest at $700. And right now with Tesla being, a price to earnings of over 1,000, people could be looking at it in the next 10 years and realize, well, we missed out on an opportunity right now. So the moral of that story is, don't listen to other people, do your own research and invest into a company that you believe in. But let me give you guys my thought process of kind of why I invested in this company. Now, yes, this is completely long-term. I'm really not going to be looking at this for the next 5 to 10 years. With that being said, I am well aware that this stock is extremely volatile, meaning it goes up and down at rapid rates, but I still think that there's a ton of long-term potential. Now, the reason why I say this is because I think that people are going to get more and more dependable on electric vehicles and autonomous driving. And right now, Tesla is that front runner in those sectors, and I think that those sectors are only going to continue to grow. A lot of companies like GM are actually trying to figure out ways that they can partner with other companies to have electric vehicles and autonomous driving. So that means that there's people out there that want those things, but other companies are trying to catch up with Tesla. They are way ahead of other companies, and I think that is a huge advantage of Tesla. Now, I do think that once Tesla comes out with their new Cybertruck and has that production in line, I think that they're gonna make a ton of money. And right now, Ford sells the absolute most trucks in the United States. I think that they're gonna be a huge competitor with Ford, because Ford right now is going ahead and is trying to figure out ways to get into that electric auto space. And if Tesla already has that front runner advantage, I think that people are just going to go with Tesla because, one, they know that they have a ton of awesome perks. You guys can have Supercharger stations, there's a lot more accessories, and really it's just an overall better car. Now, that is really why I think Tesla is going to be competing with Ford's truck. I think it's super important to understand that. Not to mention that Tesla still has capabilities overseas. Really, they don't sell too many cars overseas, and I think that they're going to be growing into those other countries, and it's just going to make Tesla worth even more, meaning that there's still a ton of long-term potential for this stock. So now let's go ahead and do some technical analysis, look at support, resistance, and kind of where I see it going. What are my price targets? So let's go. Alrighty guys, so we have ticker symbol TSLA. That is Tesla's stock ticker. So if you guys want to look it up, you guys can just look up TSLA. So now looking at the stock, you guys can see that there's some clear resistance here at around $538. There's some support here at around $317. Overall, you guys can see that this stock loves to use this 200 moving average line as support. Really hit it here, kind of dip down and hit it here, and each time it's hit it, we get buying pressure, really clarifying that there is definitely some support there. Right now that this stock is currently kind of on a downward trend, which is overall not that big of a deal because this is a short-term trend. And if we actually go ahead and look at the long-term chart, you guys can see that the stock is definitely at an upward trend. I still think that Tesla has a ton of long-term potential, and really, if this stock comes back up to the highs, you make like $100 per share, roughly. I think that it could definitely hit that within the next year or so. But my real price target for this stock is around $600. I know you might be saying, well, Carter, that doesn't make sense. But a lot of other companies and a lot of brokers and, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, they raised their price targets from around $500 to $600, which is obviously extremely high. And I think that this is going to eventually hit it. I really think that Tesla has a tremendous long-term potential, and I'm a huge believer in the company. And you guys can clearly see that this stock loves to trade overvalued. So don't even tell me it's overvalued. You know, I still think that there's just a ton of potential. Resistance here at around 500 bucks. Right now it's shooting at 419. So it did dip down. Buy the dip. Sell the rip. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and overall stay safe out there. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bam.